This is Maya Robbins, CSC 110 at 8 a.m. This is the Chapter 5, Exercise 8 YouTube. So this one I found particularly interesting, and I was looking around on different sites for like what other people did, and kind of I based it off what they did, but I tried to change little things, like changing color or, kind of whatever. But I'm proud of myself that I was able to figure out how to do it kind of on my own. So when I run the module, this is what I got. Yeah, and I'm kind of sad that we're doing less stuff with Turtle, but I'm glad that we got to do another YouTube on it. Thank you.